Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to wash off the alkaline coating from synthetic fiber before putting it on your hair. So all you will need is Kanekalon fiber. Mine is from the Xpression brand in the color 30. You will also need water, and you will need apple cider vinegar or any other vinegar that you have at home. Let's get started. So we'll start off by removing the packaging, but make sure to keep the hair tie and the elastic band on because we will need it a bit later on in the process. We will repeat this process for each bundle of fiber by taking it out of the packaging and putting it in the sink before we run our water. You will then pour your water. I prefer lukewarm water, but the temperature is not defined. It's totally up to you on how you want your temperature to be like. Once you're done pouring your water, you will then add your apple cider vinegar to the mix. As you can see, the alkaline is already lifting and we haven't even added the apple cider vinegar. Look at that. This is the apple cider vinegar that I've used. Make sure that it has the mother, all right? It can also just be any other vinegar as well. I had very little left here, but under normal circumstances, the measurement should amount to a cup. So 250 mils should be enough, but the little that I had was also enough. Now we will let the hair soak for 15 minutes. You can also let it sit up until 20 minutes, so 15 to 20 minutes, but I'll just do it for 15 and then we'll rinse the solution off. But can you see it's already lifting? It's already lifting so much more than what it was before, even with a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
Minutes later.
Time to rinse the fiber. You might be wondering, why am I doing this exercise? The reason why we soak off fiber is to remove the alkaline coating that is used to preserve the fiber from going moldy. However, this coating is not good for our hair. So as good as it is to preserve the fiber while it's still in the packaging, it is not good for our scalp. It actually causes an irritation, causes the scalp to be dry. Some people actually develop allergies from that as well. So an apple cider vinegar or any vinegar really helps with lifting the alkaline-based coating. I rinsed my fiber for about 3 times, but you can rinse it however many times you wish until your water is clean. However, for the sake of this video and the time, let's fast forward right to the end. So once you're done rinsing, the next step would be to air dry your fiber. I use my clothing hanger to hang my fiber to dry. Now, this is where the elastic band comes in. Remember when I said we don't remove that? This is where it comes in because it makes the process of hanging this fiber so much easier. And there we have it. This is how I would hang my fiber. The next thing would be to put the hanger where you want the hair to dry. So I'm going to take my fiber up to the shower. I'll hang it on the shower head. You can also hang it on your laundry line. If that works best for you, you can do that as well. But yeah, there we have it. I'm in the shower. I'm about to hang it now on the shower head, and then I'll just leave it to drip dry. Once it's done, I'll show you how it looks like at the end. And there we have it. Once the hair is dry, it feels so much softer, which makes it easier to braid with actually, and it still has its shine. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your hair braiding friends and family. See you next time.